So I'm just going to show you how to slow a piece of footage down. So if we'll just play it, that's playing at normal speed. We'll just wait for him to get to about halfway, which is there. And then if you wanted to slow it down, you'd right click, go to speed and duration. 100 means it's playing at normal speed, so if we wanted to half the speed, we'd set it to 50. And then I'll bring it back to the beginning again. And there you go. I won't let it get to halfway because it'll take too long, but it's going half as quick. Right, so I'm just going to show you how to flip a shot so that it would play backwards. So if you can see here, that's playing normally, he's walking up the stairs. If you wanted to reverse it, I've already done it, but you just click on it, right click, go to speed and duration again, click reverse speed and click OK, which would then bring you another file which will be here, and it'll be walking backwards when it gets to it. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to show you how you'd saturate a shot. So if I just play it now for a little bit to show you what it's like. If you wanted to saturate, you go to your effects, find the one that says fast colour corrector, drag it on, and then your little effect controls up here, you'll get a wheel. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see it says saturation. In the minute it's at 100, which is normal. If you wanted to double the saturation, make it more colourful, you can type in 200, and we can see over here that it's double the colour. And then if you wanted to add a specific colour, I'll just change that back to normal. If you wanted to add a specific colour, you can play about with this wheel. Drag it to pink, it'll go to pink, orange, green, blue, and then if your little yellow lines, how strong it is, your opacity. I'm just going to show you how to add a ghosting effect to the video. So if you just play it normal, just show you what it's like. And you go to your effects over here, drag over the one that says ghosting onto your video. Drag it back to the start, I'll show you what it's like. There you go. Right, just on Adobe Photoshop, just going to show you how to do a couple of things. If you just want to cut the middle cocktail glass out, just a little simple thing to do, just go up to your magnetic lasso tool up there and just click once and just follow the edge of the glass around with your mouse. Obviously this won't be perfect, it's just a rough sketch, but if you get to a little sharp bit, just click again and it will give you a little dot. Just quickly just go around it on the contours, just keep following the edge of the glass until you come back to where you start, which is here, and just click onto that, your whole glass will move off the page. If you wanted to change the colour of an aspect of an image to something that matched exactly with something else, you could go onto your colour dropper tool, which is up here. We'll just pick that colour from the orange zest there, and then if we wanted, we could colour the lime zest in orange like that, so then the lime, what was green, is now orange. Just going to show you how to saturate an image. So if this is your background image, just make sure it's selected on your layers. Click off that and just go up to image, adjustments, saturation, and your saturation is your middle one here. If you wanted to do it more, you can drag the little thing over. You can see in the background to move this out of your way. You can see it going up and down. If you want to saturate it less, you can make it really grey until you get to black and white. That's how you do that. Right, it's going to show you how you'd add text. So you just click on the little T, which is on the ribbon on the left. Start typing. And if you just click to your clicker, you can drag it around. If you want it even bigger, you can change it like that. Obviously it stretches it. And then if you want to make it easier for yourself, you can click on the T again, apply to that, highlight it, and then you can change the size up here. Really small, quite big. Right, finally I'm just going to show you basically how you bring another image onto the Photoshop. So you just go to File, Open, and we'll just use this one of the penguins for now. Click Open, and it'll bring you on two different tabs. You want them on the same tab. So you drag onto your first tab, drag it off, and click on this one, grab the layer which is on the right hand side, and drag it onto this tab. And then it'll bring the whole image in. And then, if you know what you're doing, you can drag it to the top, that one at the top, and you can play about with both of them on the same tab. So I'm just going to show you how to navigate around Blogger where we put all our coursework. If you wanted to just view the blog from a basic overview point, you just click View Blog on the right and it brings you onto it, and you can see all the different tabs. Along the top, that's my print research, my video research, print planning, video planning. As you can see, if you click on one, just let it load, internet cooperates, it brings up all the research that you've done. and the same for all the others. Just click on it. That's that. It's going to show you how you basically post onto blog. If you just click on the blog address there, it brings you onto the editor point of view. If you go to pages, and it brings you up all your different pages like I've just shown. If you wanted to post in video research, you could just click on it. It brings up all your work, and then you can just start typing in. If you click, and then you just click update. That's it.